What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Divine. I'm back again with another video. Today's video I bought the Apple Watch Ultra clone, and yeah, I got it for like only $2 from AliExpress. Like, come on, let's be real. Apple Watch Ultra for $2, like, come on, man. Alright, let's review this. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, let's jump into the video.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, need some me time. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, get some me time.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
That is the watch. That is the Apple Watch Ultra clone, and for its words, this watch is pretty good. It is actually pretty good. Just the only thing they need to work on is the apps, cause the apps doesn't work that much. Like, look, some of the apps over here doesn't work. Like, just yeah. So they need to work on the app, and yeah, that should be okay. But for me, this pretty look legit. Like, stay to the end of this video. Please like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. You guys know what to do. Like, come on. Alright, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.
she too scary.